I wasn't born with a silver spoon. I didn't have insider knowledge. I wasn't handed some secret playbook for investing. I was just like a lot of you, an average investor. I contributed to my 401k, put money into mutual funds, and hoped that one day it would all add up. But here's the truth. The path to financial freedom is not about luck and is not about waiting around hoping for the best. It's about control. Hi, I'm Adam Bergman, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. For 15 years, I've helped clients use their retirement accounts to invest in alternative assets and take control of their financial future. My journey started the same way many of yours probably did. I worked a regular job. I contributed to my retirement account every paycheck. I trusted that the system, the big firms managing my money, would take care of me. But the truth, I didn't really know what I was investing in. I couldn't name the companies inside my mutual funds. I never questioned the fees. I never asked if there were other options. Just assumed if I kept contributing and waiting, everything would just work out. Then one day, I had a realization that changed everything. I was letting someone else decide my financial future. And when I finally looked closer, I saw three big problems. The options were limited, fees were high, and the growth wasn't nearly as strong as I thought it should be. Think about it. If all you're offered are a few mutual funds or target date funds, are you really investing, or are you just putting money into whatever box your employer gave you? That is not control. That's outsourcing your future. So I started digging around. I discovered that I could take control of my retirement savings through a self-directed approach. Instead of being boxed into a handful of funds, I could choose where the money went. I could invest in things I actually understood, things I believe in. My first move was small. I didn't throw everything into one deal. I took a portion of my retirement savings and invested in something tangible, real estate. Not a REIT or a fund, but an actual property. I wasn't chasing a quick win. I was focused on steady, reliable growth. And you know what? That single decision opened my eyes. I realized I didn't have to be stuck in the same cycle as everyone else. I could build my own path to financial freedom. And over time, I expanded into other alternative assets. I started investing in private companies, startups I believed in. I had exposure to crypto, but always inside a compliant retirement structure. That's important because it allowed me to diversify and grow more aggressively while staying within the rules. And the difference has been night and day. I no longer feel like an average investor. I don't feel like I'm just crossing my figures and hoping my 401k balance looks good in 30 years. I feel empowered because I know where my money is going. I know what it's invested in. And I know it's working for me, not just for a financial institution collecting fees off the top. If this resonates with you, you're not alone. I've worked with thousands of people who felt stuck in the exact same cycle that I was in, watching their 401ks grow slowly, never really knowing what their money was doing, and feeling like financial freedom was reserved for someone else. But here's the good news. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to be lucky. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to take that first step to learn what options are out there and then start using them. For me, that first step was real estate. For you, it might be something different. Private lending, precious metals, even a small exposure to crypto. The point is, once you experience control over your investments, you'll never want to go back to the old system. And remember, financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It happens through a series of intentional choices. One step, then another, then another. That's what creates momentum. That's what creates results. If you want to see exactly how I was first introduced to alternative assets and self-directed investments, check out my previous video. I'll link it right here in the cards. It's a great way to see how small steps can lead to big, tangible results. And if you're ready To keep learning, subscribe to our free newsletter using the link in the description. It's the easiest way to stay ahead, take control of your investments, and move from being an average investor to someone truly in charge of their financial future. Because here is the bottom line. The journey to financial freedom is not a mystery. It isn't reserved for a select few. It's about making intentional choices, educating yourself, and refusing to let someone else dictate your future. Take that first step. Explore what's possible and start building a retirement plan that actually works for you. Thanks for watching.